Hey, this is a big shout out for FlexiFunnels that helped me to generate revenue for me as well as my clients. So I'm a freelancer and have built all the funnels for my agency and also for my clients on FlexiFunnels. And we did a pretty well much revenue of more than $2,000 to $3,000 in past 20 to 30 days with FlexiFunnels. One cool thing about FlexiFunnel is it is very user friendly, and I really like doing the designs and stuff on FlexiFunnels, and also they have um, the templates for designing, and FlexiFunnels has really helped me to fulfill my clients, and it's really growing great. And thank you so much, Saurabh Bhatnagar, for bringing up such an amazing software, which is very impactful for all the business owners out there.